Well, the thing happened. I broke the AirBoss. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I upgraded and improved the original AirBoss.
Hey, YouTubers, this is a quick video showing how I had to rebuild the AirBoss. The, the Achilles heel for the AirBoss is this connection right here, okay? Or actually this connection right here, because what happened is broke the plastic sleeve that was in here. So I've rebuilt it with a stainless steel coupling from Menards, save big money. And then at the same time, I replaced the fitting, which was a glued fitting, with a threaded fitting. So on this end, to keep the pressure in the tank, I've got white silicone tape, plumber's tape, I guess, and on both ends, on the valve end and the tank end, which is the larger piece here. And on this end, I glued the pipe with the fitting here and then put the second stainless steel bushing here. And so now it's separatable, two pieces. So when I want to use it, I simply assemble it and shoot the lead weight. So people are wondering what the heck goes out in the air. And it's this little lead weight. It's 2 ounces, and you got to use a hard hat and safety glasses when we're using this thing. But otherwise, this is the most effective way to launch antennas in the tree. And when I say launch, I mean there's no height that I can't reach. I can go into the tallest tree and put a wire. I know some people are using the arborist weight, and that you can only throw so far. But if you want to get the wire way up in the tree for a dipole or end fed, you need this sucker. Okay, so this is what I have done, and in the previous section in the video I showed the pictures of the AirBoss broken. So this is the fix for the AirBoss is Achilles heel, but otherwise I recommend highly this product. The guy who made this KR4LO has retired, but his grandson took on the business, and he's continuing production of the AirBoss.
Before I glued it and assembled it, I thought I'd take a picture of all the parts and pieces separate so you can get a better description of how to put this together and make the upgrade. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.